Hi guys, this is HowTo video presentation. In this video, I'm going to generate custom C code for a Hello World that uses a modal feature to update the output file. First, we need to create a new WebGME project. And this folder is my project folder. Name it as Hello World Project. Okay. First, we need to create a meta model. And create a new sheet. We create a drawing type here and a type called text window. And we need to give this type a attribute, string attribute named text. Save. And this type belongs to drawing. Okay. Go to language. We should move the drawing here and move text window here. And we need to create a new child, drawing. In drawing, we do some drawing. Drag the text window here, and we can see a text box here. We can enter something into this box, like hello web G and A. Okay. Now we need to create a new plugin. WebGME new plugin. Hello World plugin. Yes. Okay. And we need to add this plugin to the project, to the Hello World project. WebGME add plugin. Okay. And now we need to do some modification of for the plugin. Okay. This is some new plugin, and my plugin code is based on the MATLAB generator created by Dr. Sprinkle. So I copy this to here and replace the MATLAB generator with Hello World plugin. Okay. Replace. Okay, here Most of my job is done in this function, visit join function. In this function, we traverse all the nodes under join type. This type. In this case, we only have one node here, text window. And we don't need these things. Oops. Okay. We need to do something here, and I'm ready for this. Okay, cool. First, we need to consider how to write the data into a file. So now I require the file system. The FS stands for the file system. And then I use the method of the file system named create write string. And the argument of this method is a file that you want to output. In my case, it's hello world.c. It's a C file. And then we need to use string.once. In this part, once the string is open, we do this function. In this function, we gotta traverse all the node under the join type. And once we find the type we want, we do something. Okay. The first thing we need to consider is how to write a complete C language, C code. You need to string.write. You use the write method to write the basic syntax code for C language, like the include studio.h in this header file and int main. You need to have a main function, and then we want to find the text window, this object in join type, on the join type. Once we find this text window, we need to assign the string value here. I love WebJammy, the string. In this text box string, assign the string to this text variable. And then we write this text variable, we write this text, the content of text, into the hello world.c file, along with the print syntax. And at the end of the code, we want to write the return 0 and the end of the C code. Finally, we end the string. If you want to know something more about the string writing, you can go to this website. I will post this website on Piazza. And one thing to mention here, to write the content, write the string, I used these backtick, these two backticks to contain the string, instead of the we usually use like the single quote or the double quote. Let's see, what if I use a single quote? See what happened? Apparently it doesn't allow me to go to the next line without a backward slash n. So in this case it's okay, but see, in this project you have so many lines to write into the file, and you must do not want to enter this backward slash n at the at end of each lines, it's a lot of trouble. So I found that instead of using the single quote or the double quote, we use the backtick, and we can solve this problem. We don't need this backward slash n. You can write anything you want here, any line here, see? Okay, we don't need this. And now we need to run this plugin to see what will happen. And I'm ready for this too. Okay, Hello World plugin, Hello World project. Cool. Go. Okay, now we save this plugin to run this. Oh no. Say what? Missing art. Missed the bracket. Okay. Let's go to the project folder to see if there's any output file here. Okay, because this hello world.c. Printf I love webjammy. It looks not very good, but it's acceptable. Okay, let's run this. New terminal. I love webjammy. Cool. And what if we have something else? I love modeling language. And we output it to another file. Say another file. .c. Let's see what happens. Okay, no error. Close it. See, another file. Yeah, it's here. Another file. .c. And oh, it's also webjam. Oops, I forgot one thing. we need to refresh this. Webjam it and say I love you. I love you. Okay. Now if we run this, okay. Another file to see. Yeah, I love you. Cool. And what if we run this? Another fire. Another fire. Let's see. Yes. I love you. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching. Good luck.